Hello everyone, I am Ness. I go by the name of Ness Virgo online. I am a digital artist for almost 2 years now, and I started drawing as a hobby. My drawings are known for heavy line art, urban techwear style, and modern rendition of characters from video games and anime. About my style, I have been drawing for a while now, so I have a fixed process when illustrating drawings to maximize my time. My process is usually conceptualizing, drafting, sketching, line art, flat color, then render. For some people, they might be familiar with my drawings due to saturated bright colors I made. When I conceptualize the character I want to draw, I first start understanding the character, how he or she reacts with other people, her characteristics and personality. Then after that, I will try to imagine to convert those details into modern fashion. For this drawing, I first try to understand Yoimiya. Yoimiya is a 5-star character from Inazuma and the owner of Naganahara Fireworks. I remember in her story, she likes talking to people and children and is fascinated with hearing their stories. She's my main DPS and favorite from all the characters, so I know her personality will be like an outgoing social person who enjoys the company of other people. She is talkative, so I assume she is an extrovert. I imagine her to have a personality of being able to play instrument and the life of the party, so being a drummer suits her. Yoimiya looks so cool for me, and she perfectly suits my imagination of having a chill personality as a musician. I am inviting all of you to join this Teyvat Fashion Week Genshin Impact Costume Design Contest, which is sponsored by XPPen and Hoyolab. If your favorite Genshin Impact character is living in the world with us, which profession will you think will fit them? Join this fan art collection competition event and design their favorite costumes with your creative imagination. Share your drawings in Instagram, X, Facebook, Pixiv, or whichever social media platform you prefer and use the hashtag. Once again, thank you to XPPen and Hoyolab for creating this event. I am looking forward to seeing your beautiful artworks. Goodbye!